So I have this floor and these two side plates all fit up.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit down low. It completely destroyed the trunk floor. So I have this trunk floor sitting in here, roughly fit up with these plates. What I'm gonna do now is the front section is gonna get spot welded up to where this brace is at, and then it's gonna be plug welds across the back. And I have all my holes through this top layer, so I'm gonna mark where all of these holes are at with just a small 1/8 inch drill bit. Then I will lift the floor back out and I'll drill those holes out, because I have to make sure this floor welds into the bottom of the frame rail as well. So I want to make sure all of these holes are in the same spots. So I have this floor and these two side plates all fit up, sitting exactly where it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my main spot welding, and then I will get the MIG welder out and I'll get the back half welded in. So I have this one all welded together. Now I need to go ahead and seam seal all the seams on the inside, and I have some sound deadening pads I gotta put down on the trunk floor as well. And then it's gonna have to go up on the 2-post lift, and we're going to have to drop the suspension loose so I can make sure I can get to everything and seam seal everything underneath here and get the bottom finished as well. But I will finish all of that up in the morning. That is a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.